welcome for my second update for the Go for the Goal Project Pan together with the Pantastic Ladies Collab. More information will as always be down below. This is a roller project pan that are during 2019. And here I just have a jumble humble of products that I'm just like, oh, they're boring. So I haven't put them in regular products, but I would love to use some of them up. I have the Honeymania. I will put a picture of them because I'm just holding my phone on a selfie stick, which is why I'm not that balanced and might be a little bit shaky, but at least I'm in focus. That's something. So the Honeymania hand cream, I've used it sometimes, but you can easily see when you use it only once that it still shows progress. So I have some progress. It's easy steadily. And it's just like, I believe it going. I'm really bad at using hand creams, so that's why I have other hand creams I need to use up after this one. I have an unused from the Body Shop. I have one from Victoria's Secret and one from Lumina. And the one from Lumina is one of the ones in the collaboration with Moomin, and those are really pretty, real pretty. They are. And then I have two perfume samples. Haven't used them. I filmed the last one late and then I was up skiing and now I haven't had that much time. And then the Loverdose Bodylotion, I'll probably use it up there in the summer actually, or when I'm not wearing like all clothes, when you can actually smell me a bit better. That's I don't think you want to smell me when you can see I have dirty hair or oily hair. It is better. It's not oil, it's natural oil because of dirtiness. And then we have the AloVera Gel. I haven't really used it as well, but it's a year. It's a year. It's just we just started the 3rd month now. So that's it for this update. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. It's really fun to hear about how it goes for you as well. I would try to watch your videos as well. I'm being really bad at that. I will try to get better at updating as well. I will try to get it up as quick as possible. Yeah, that's why I'm filming this on my phone actually. I'm filming some of those on my phone to get some up quicker. And then I will film the rest another day actually, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 stuff left, so I will see what I will be doing for those. I think I will film somewhere on the phone and then I will quit for today actually. But thank you for watching, and I hope you will follow me along on this journey of me trying to upload and trying to use my products. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching.